Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can convert an image into a Word file or any editable document. So in order to do that you have to first open the MS Word. Okay, I have opened the any blank page. First of all you have to insert the image that you want to convert. So I will select it from my device. So as you can see here, it is an image. I cannot edit any word from the image. So first of all, save this image as a PDF file by exporting. Export, create the PDF. Okay, save it in your computer. Okay, now as you can see, I have converted the image into PDF one. Now go back to the Word document, open the new page and open the same PDF file that you have saved earlier. So now as you can see, my image, this is my image and it has converted into the Word file, editable one. So I can edit anything that I want. So this is how you convert an image into the MS Word file. Thank you very much for watching. If it helps you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.